Telangana model paper for 2022, part B. So here the 20 questions, each question carries 1 mark. 20 questions, each question carries 1 mark. So here the first question is, which of the following is an irrational number? See, this is 2 by 3. It is in the form of p by q. It is rational. Root 16 by 25. It is actually like this. Root 16 by 25. Root 16 is 4. Root 25 is 5. It is in the form of p by q. This is also rational. And here it is root 0.04. You can write as root 4 by 100. Root 4 is nothing but 2. Root 100 is 10. So root 8, you can write 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 by 10, this is also in the form of p by q. This is also rational. And root 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. You can write as 2 root 2. So here it is root 2. It is irrational. So the correct option is C. Next question. The product of the zeros of a cubic polynomial. The product of the zeros of a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial here is like 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. So product of the zeros is alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma is minus d by a. If you compare with the standard equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, a value is 2, b is minus 5, c is minus 14, d is 8. So minus d is 8 by 2, so which is nothing but minus 4. So the correct option is A. Next question. A pair of linear equations which satisfies dependent system of equations. So here dependent is nothing but coincident lines. Dependent is nothing but coincident lines. Coincident lines are called dependent lines. So the condition for coincident is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and that should be equal to c1 by c2. If we'll take the first example, 2x plus y minus 5 equals 0. 3x minus 2y minus 4 equals 0. See here we have plus minus, so directly we can say these are not dependent because 2 by 3 equals 1 by minus 2. They are not equal. So these are intersecting lines. These are intersecting. Intersecting lines we cannot call as dependent. Dependent means coincident, this condition. Take the second question. 3x plus 4y equals 2 they give. You can write equals to or you can write minus 2 equals 0. 6x plus 8y minus 4 equals 0. Now if you do here like 3 by 6 and equals 4 by 8. Now if you check 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 4 times 1, 4 times 2. 1 by 2 equals 1 by 2. Now you check for the last one. Minus 2 by minus 4. Minus minus cancel. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So everything is like 1 by 2 equals 1 by 2 equals 1 by 2. So these lines are coincident lines. So coincident lines are called dependent lines. So the correct option is B. Next one. The nth term of an AP is Tn equals, sometimes we'll write in textbook, sometimes we'll write An and sometimes they'll give Tn also. So An equals A plus n minus 1 into D or Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D, n minus 1 into D, where D represents common difference. So the correct option is B. Next one. The number of two-digit numbers, which are divisible by 3. So first two-digit number is 10. First two-digit number is 10. Last two-digit number is 99. But they want the numbers which are divisible by 3. So 10 will not be the first term. It's a two-digit first number, but 12 will come because it will go in 3 table. Next number will be 15, so on, 99. Now see here we have the first term which is 12. Common difference a2 minus a1, that is 15 minus 12, that is 3. And an equals 99. An is a plus n minus 1 into d is 99. A is 12 plus n minus 1 into d. D we got 3. So from this we'll get like number of terms. 12 plus 3n minus 3 equals 99. 12 minus 3 is 9 plus 3n equals 99. 3n equals 99 minus 9. 3n equals 99 minus 9 is 90. So n equals 90 by 3. N equals 30. So there are like 30 terms, 30 numbers of 2 digit which are divisible by 3. So correct option is A. Next one. The centroid of a triangle. See here we need to find the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are. So 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 3. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So here 0 plus 3 plus 0 by 3, 0 plus 0 plus 3 by 3. So here you are getting 3 by 3 and here also you are getting like 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 is 1 comma 1. So here the centroid is 1 comma 1. So the correct option is B. Next question. The coordinate of the center of a circle. Now if you'll see here, the coordinate of the center of a circle, if the ends of the diameter, see very simple question. So it's a diameter. End of the diameters are given A 2 comma minus 5, B minus 2 comma 9. They are asking the coordinates of the center. So directly they are asking the midpoint of AB, because center will be the midpoint of the diameter. So midpoint, to find the center O, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 is 2 plus x2 is minus 2, so 2 minus 2 by 2, minus 5 plus 9 by 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0 by 2, minus 5 plus 9 is 4 by 2. So the answer is 0 by 2 is 0, 4 by 2 is 2. So the correct option is D. Next one. The discriminant of a quadratic equation. So here they are asking like discriminant. The discriminant of the quadratic equation. So discriminant formula is, okay, first write the quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1. If you compare with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c, a value is 1, b is 1, c is also 1. And they are asking discriminant, which is nothing but b square minus 4ac. So 1 square minus 4 into 1 into c is again 1. 1 minus 4 minus 3. So discriminant is minus 3. So the correct option is B. Next. Which of the following are the vertices of a triangle? Which of the following are the vertices of a triangle? Now see, if you observe these vertices carefully. Now here, the first one. See, just roughly I'll explain this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 1 comma 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. If you observe this 3, if x value is same, then it will form a straight line and it will be parallel to y-axis. Now here if you observe, see here, these values 5, 6, 7. 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1. So this also will form a straight line. Okay, so there is no chance of getting triangle in option A and option B. Now see, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 2, 0. This also, all the points are on x-axis. So here also there is no chance of getting a triangle. Option D, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4. This also will form a straight line. So which of the following points are the vertices of a triangle? Actually in these 4 options we don't have the correct option in this, because all the options we are getting a straight line. When you will get a straight line, there is no chance of getting a triangle. So correct option is not given. correct option is not given. So when you'll get in exam something like that, you can attempt any one of these. If you'll attempt some option, any option, okay, you will be like provided the marks. Like the slope of a ladder making an angle 30 degrees with the floor. See, the slope of a ladder making an angle 30 degrees with the floor. So here they are asking slope when the angle is given. So slope formula is m equals tan theta. Slope formula, if two vertices are given, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. When they'll give the angle, just do tan theta. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So the correct option is B. Next question. The distance between these 2 points. So the distance between these 2 points, so cos alpha comma 0 and 0 comma sin alpha. So here under root, distance formula under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Under root x2 0 minus cos alpha whole square plus sin alpha minus 0 whole square under root. So here minus cos alpha whole square plus sin alpha whole square. So cos alpha whole square, sin alpha whole square. So there is nothing but cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So root 1 is plus or minus 1. So here see, one option is 1, the second one is minus 1, 0. The third D option you make it plus or minus, write the correct option as D. Until unless they'll mention that theta lies in first quadrant. If it lies in first quadrant, then you'll get all the ratios positive. So then you can take plus value. Otherwise, you can write plus or minus 1. Correct option is here D. Next question. Arithmetic mean of 30 students is 42. Among them, 2 students got 0 marks. Then arithmetic mean of the remaining students. Now see here. Arithmetic mean of 30 students. Mean formula is here. Sum of the observations by number of observations. So mean is 42. Number of students 30. Cross multiply 42 times 30. So 4 times 3 12. 1260. So in this, what happened, like 2 students got 0 marks. So they are asking the mean of the other students. So again you calculate mean. Sum of the observations by number of observations. Now see, total marks sum will be same because 2 students got 0. If I'll remove minus 0 by total number of observations, now I'll take 28. Total number of observations 28. So 1260 divided by 28. 1260 divided by 28. So we'll give you 1 second. So 4 with 4 table you can cancel. 4 sevens, 4 3, 4 1s, and 4 5. 7 ones, 7 4s 28, 7 5s 30. So the mean will be 45. The average of the other 28 students, it will be like 45. So the correct option is C. Next one. The probability of getting a king or queen from the deck of cards. Now see, if you'll see the deck of cards, like 52 cards. In that, it is divided into like 4 suits: diamonds, hearts, spades, clubs. In diamonds, like king, queen, jack, and again number cards like from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Till 10 it will be. Next, in the same thing it will be in all the cases. The probability of getting king or queen. So see, total how many kings we have? Here there will be king, 4 kings we have, and 4 queens we have. Like, So they're asking king or queen. So total possible favorable outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Like number of favorable outcomes here we have 8, 4 kings and 4 queens. By total is 52. So 2 times 4, 2 times 26, 2 times 2, 2 times 13. So 2 by 13, the correct option is B. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Now see, the ratio of the surface areas of a cylinder and cone. See, surface area of a cylinder, if you take like curve surface area 2 pi RH and pi RL, it cannot be like 1:1. There is no chance of 1:1 because pi r if will cancel, and if you will take the same height also, there is no chance of getting 1:1. So first option is incorrect. Once we'll check the ratio of surface areas of sphere and hemisphere. Sphere is 4 pi r square, and surface area of hemisphere means here if you take curved surface area 2 pi r square. So pi r square, 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So it is 2:1. It is correct. The ratio of the total surface area of a sphere and hemisphere. So total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square and total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So total surface area of a sphere and hemisphere, pi r square cancel, 4 by 3, 4:3. So here A is incorrect, C is also incorrect. Once we'll check the volume of cylinder and cone. Cylinder volume is pi r square h, cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here pi r square h cancel, 1 divided by 1 by 3. So that is 1 times 3 by 1. So that is 3:1. This is correct. So here two incorrect options we have, A and C. A and C. The value of sin 30 cos 60. Sin 30 plus cos 60. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Half plus half is 1. So the correct option is here A. Next one. Among the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 15, the probability of choosing a number which is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4, see, you'll get 4, 8, 12. So only 3 multiples we have. So probability of multiple of 4 is nothing but 3 out of 15. 4, 8, 12. 3 numbers we have out of 15. So 3 ones, 3 fives. So the correct option is C. Next question. Geeta said the probability of impossible event is 1. See, probability of impossible event is 0. Probability of impossible event is 0. But Geeta is telling the probability of impossible events is 1. Next, probability of sure event is 0. Pravalika is telling probability of sure event is, so probability of sure event is 1. But Pravalika is telling 0. So Geeta, what Geeta told is wrong. What Pravalika is told is also wrong. Atiya said that the probability of any event lies between 0 and 1. See, this statement is correct because probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So that's why probability will be always from 0 to 1. It will be from 0 to 1 because favorable outcomes may be 0 or favorable outcomes will be equal to total number of outcomes. That's why it will be always from 0 to 1. So that's why we'll write probability of an event is less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 0. So always it lies from 0 and 1. So Atiya is correct. So correct option is C. Next question. The sum of 100 natural numbers. See, it is a Gauss number. You can directly tell the answer is 50-50. Correct option is C. But I'll solve with the help of like formula. Sum of n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d So here 1, 2, 3, so on. So here 100 natural numbers. First term is 1 and common difference is also a2 minus a1, 2 minus 1, which is 1. 100 minus 1 into 1. So 100 by 2, 50. 2 plus 99 into 1, 99. 50 plus 101. So if we multiply 5050, which is nothing but Gauss number. So the correct option is C. Next one. The side PQ and PR of a right angle triangle PQR are such that, see, right angle at Q, PQ, PR. PR is 13, PQ is 5. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, QR will get 2. So the 12, the correct option is C. C. PR square equals PQ square plus QR square. So PR is 13 square, PQ is 5 square plus QR square. So 169, 25 plus QR square. 169 minus 25 equals QR square. 144 equals QR square. Root 144 is QR. So QR is 12 centimeters. So the correct option is C. Next one. A quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribed. Now see here, ABCD. A quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribed. One second. Other side. A quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribed. You can take like this. A, B, C, D. Point of contacts, like you can take P, Q, R and S. Now here the tangents drawn from an external point like AP equals AS, BP equals BQ, CQ equals CR and DR equals DS. This is all because length of the tangents drawn from an external point. Length of a tangents drawn from an external point are equal because of this. Okay, now what they are asking? They are asking AB plus CD. AB plus CD. AB, by seeing the diagram, if I'll split, that is AP plus PB. CD, CR plus RD. Now switch these letters, like AP you can write as AS, PB you can write as BQ, CR CQ, RD as DS. Now AS plus DS, BQ plus CQ. AS plus DS is AD, BQ plus CQ is BC. So the correct option is AD plus BC, which is nothing but here B. Correct option is B.